Hey guys, I'm finally back for my giveaway, so I will be trying to pack the rest of the gift that I thought I will be sharing out to two of my subscribers. I previously had some videos showing the type of gifts that I wanted to give out, so I will be giving two giveaways out. One with a Coach Zip Corner Wristlet in powder pink and the other one in carnation pink, which I will show. So this video is mostly going to be on me just packing the rest of the gifts, and I hope you guys enjoy it. ASMR. And I'll do a final photo of each package and tell me which one you prefer. Okay, so let's select 10 different fragrance scents here, and each of you will get 10 of each different type of scent from Louis Vuitton. So I think I'll give an afternoon swim. And then there's a Trap Red. California Dream is one of my favorites. City of Stars, Imagination, Air d'Absence is really good. I'll select 10 from here, and then I'll be back with the final 10 scents. Okay, and each will get a pink powder pouch as well as the carnation pink, all factory wrapped. New. Hey guys, welcome back. So now I wanted to show you guys a close-up of the giveaways that I will be gifting out. This is giveaway number 1, and I think I will be attaching a panda emoji towards this particular giveaway just because it's easier to distinguish. And when you enter the giveaway, please do choose giveaway number 1 as a panda, or giveaway number 2, and I think I will choose that as a cherry emoji. Basically, both giveaways have the same stuff. It's just maybe different color in the frames, and I have a different pink in the Coach wristlet, as well as 10 different fragrances. There's a lot of overlap. I thought I'd share more of the common scents that I chose. And yeah, so let's start with giveaway number 1. First, you'll get the LV and Takashi Murakami special packaging from 2025. So there was 2 packaging. One is the cherry bag, which will be giveaway number 2. Because this is giveaway number 1, it will come with the panda and the flower hat man on the other side. And I framed it, as you can see, in black framing, and to match with it, I also attached these framed flower hat man and onion head. And if you can see in the back, they both have the white multicolor monogram, resemblance of the Takashi Murakami design 20 years ago. Oh, now 21 years ago. And this is the cherry tag, and both of them will show Hong Kong. That's where I'm from. So this package will have 2 or 3 of the black frames, and the cherry would be in the pink frame. And then I will also be giving a ribbon that I got from some of my purchases. Also says Louis Vuitton X Murakami, and it has the purple cherry blossom, the panda, the cherries, and the flower hat man. And it's quite long, so you could do whatever you like with it. In addition to the ribbon, there's this coach. This is the Corner Zip signature jacquard print in the powder pink, and it's the Corner Zip wallet, which comes with a baby. This is the tea rose in the powder pink canvas, and I will be giving a completely new one that's factory wrapped. And then we have La Beauty. So I got some lippy samples in the past, and I thought I'd share this out. It comes in this little package with a card, La Beauty, Louis Vuitton. And inside there's a mini brush with it. So package it back up. And last but not least, both winners of the giveaway will get 10 of these LV sample fragrances. They are all 2 ml each, and so you would be getting 20 ml in different scents from LV. So for giveaway number 1, I'll list out the 10 fragrances, and I'll also indicate everything you're getting from giveaway number 1 and giveaway number 2 in the description box below, and how to enter all the details. Just go there and take a look after this video. So one of the scents that I will be giving out is Afternoon Swim, 𝒕𝒓𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒕𝒆, City of Stars. I'm not sure how you would read this, but 𝒂𝒑𝒑𝒓𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒕𝒆. This one's 𝒚'𝒂𝒑𝒑𝒓𝒆. This one's Imagination, 𝒚'𝒂𝒑𝒑𝒓𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒕𝒆, Meteore, Ombre Nomad, and Spell on You. So some of these are unisex, some would be more feminine, and I believe some of the scents, for example, Imagination and 𝒚'𝒂𝒑𝒑𝒓𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒕𝒆, Meteor, they're the male scents, but I often like to wear male scents. So yes, maybe you can share them with your husband or boyfriend if you want, but everything you see here would be part of the first giveaway. I'll be back with giveaway number 2. Hey guys, so welcome back to giveaway number 2. This giveaway will be represented with a cherry emoji. It will come with the Louis Vuitton X Takashi Murakami cherry design, and I got this from the shopping bag, and it will be with the white frame. Both sides will show the cherry, whereas the giveaway number 1 you saw was the panda and flower hat man on 2 sides. And this will come with the white frames with the Takashi Murakami panda and the onion head. Similar to the other character cards, you will see that there's the white multicolor monogram. And for all of these, you can, if you wanted to take it out and use it as a ornament or a bag charm, you can actually laminate it like similar to how it is framed now, and then use it as a bag charm. So you can see there's a hole, which you could use the ribbon. This one also is the same as the first giveaway. You'll get a lengthy ribbon, and this is with the cherry baggage tag that also says Hong Kong. And instead of the powder pink corner zip wristlet, you will get, this is the glazed carnation pink. It's also raised with gold hardware. This one does not have a baby charm, but I think it's also very like pretty and like baby pink, just so that you can compare it like that. So this will be for giveaway number 2. You'll also get the same lippy sample. I'll quickly show you. Again, LV Rouge. Inside there's a baby lipstick brush that you could use for these 4 colors. And finally, the 10 fragrances will be Afternoon Swim, 𝒕𝒓𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒕𝒆, California Dream, Sur Battant, Imagination, L'immensité, Meteore, Ombre Nomad, On the Beach, and Symphony. And I will be putting all of the description and the giveaway enter details, everything in the description box. So I'm really glad that you're still here watching, and hopefully you'd be interested in the giveaway and put an emoji down, whether it's the Panda giveaway number 1 or this particular package, the cherry one with the white frames, giveaway number 2. And if you're not interested in any of the giveaways but still want to support me, feel free to leave a heart emoji down below, and I will still be very grateful that you're here to watch this giveaway video and been supporting me all this time. I'm very, very thankful for each and every one of you who has already subscribed, made any comments, shared, or liked my videos. I'm very, very grateful and appreciate you all. So thanks for being here, and I think I will be holding this giveaway for 2 to 3 weeks. All the details will be below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.